Hallo Leute, welcome to our channel Sips of German. First of all, we are going to talk about Grüßen. Grüßen means greetings. Then we will discuss about sich vorstellen. Sich vorstellen means introduce yourself. And finally, we will talk about verabschieden. Verabschieden means saying goodbye. Please note that V will be pronounced like F. Verabschieden. Verabschieden. Before starting our video, I would like to share with you that you can find every videos in our channel both in Bangla and English language. So let's start. Hello. Hello. Hello is a very informal greetings. You can use these greetings among your nearest and dearest one. You can also say Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day. You can use Guten Morgen to wish someone a very good morning. Guten Morgen. And in the evening, you can wish someone saying Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Please note that Guten Abend can be used in the late evening also. And before going to bed, you can say Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. You must have noticed a small difference here. Yes, here in Gute, N is missing. Don't be confused. I will discuss about this in our next videos. Just focus on the pronunciation. Before starting a conversation with someone, you can say Wie geht's? Wie geht's means how are you? Do remember that W will be pronounced like V. Wie geht's? And answering your question, someone can say Danke. Sehr gut. Thanks. Very good. Und Sie? And you? Danke. Sehr gut. Und Sie? Or that person can also say good. Good means good. Super. Super means great. When that person feeling really great, he can also say tall. Tall means great. Wunderbar. Wunderbar. When someone feeling really wonderful, that time he can use this Grüßen. And when he is feeling so fantastic, that time he can say fantastisch. Fantastisch. And finally, when he is not feeling so good, that time he can say es geht. Es geht means it's going okay. Danke. Thanks. Don't forget to say Danke. After this, that person can ask you Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie means what's your name? Let's talk about informal situation. In informal situation, you can ask Woher bist du? Woher bist du means who are you? Or you can also say Und du? Und du? And you? And answering that question, you can say Ich bin James. Ich bin James means I am James. Please note that in informal situation, you have to always use do. Do. And finally, when you are going to say bye, then you can say tschüss. Tschüss means bye. And that person can say bis bald, James. Bis bald, James means see you soon, James. Or he can also say auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen means goodbye. Or he can also say auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören. Do remember that auf Wiederhören mainly used when you are saying goodbye someone over phone calls. Or you can also say ciao. Ciao. You would also say bis später. Bis später means see you later. Okay guys, see you in our next videos. Until then, danke. Tschüss.